Welcome back to Xtream Channel. This is Tejaswini. So today we are going to learn about fourth, third and mean proportional. So in the previous class we have discussed about ratio and proportion, but in the grade 7 in ICSE board, one of the exercise from this chapter is full of these kind of problems. So let's get started. So first let's see about the fourth proportional. So in this they will give us only three values like A, B and C. So as we need to find the fourth proportional, as we don't know the value, we should keep it as x. So we should keep the fourth value as x. So this is how we form a proportion in the fourth proportional. So now we should use the formula, that is product of extremes is equal to product of means. So the product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is A into X is equal to B into C. So this is how we form the ratios, two ratios in the fourth proportional by taking the fourth value as X. Now let's take a problem like if A is 2 and B is 4 and C is 2 and the fourth one is missing here. So let's take the fourth one as X. So we can form a proportion like 2 is to 4 is as 2 is to X. Now we have to use this formula. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is 2x is equal to 2 into x is equal to 4 into 2. That is 2x is equal to 8. So x as it is and transfer this 2 into right hand side, so that becomes division. That is 8 by 2. 2 1s are and 2 4s are. So the value of x is 4. So this is the fourth proportional. See the third proportion. So in third proportion they will only give us two numbers. So they will only give us two terms or numbers. So we should find the third one now. So to find the third one we should take it as x. So as we don't know the third one, we should take this as x. And as we already seen in the continued proportion that the product of first two terms is equal to the product of last two terms. So the product of first two terms is equal to the product of last two terms. So that we can write it as A is to B is as B is to X. So this is how we can write this number. So the product of first two terms is equal to the product of last two terms. So here the middle term will be written twice. So this is how we should write. And the remaining steps will be followed. Same, that is the product of extremes is equal to product of means. So now let's take a number like 9 and 27. So if they give us a number 9 and 27, we can take the third number. As they have given only two numbers here, we can take the third number as x. So the third number can be taken as x as we don't know that value. And here, the product of first two numbers, that is 9 is to 27 is equal to or is as the product of last two numbers. This 27 is to x. So here the product of extremes is equal to product of means. So that is 9 into x is equal to 27 into 27. So 9 into x is 9x and 27 into 27 is 729. So now x will be written as it is and 9 will be transferred this side so that it will become division. Like 729 divided by 9. So we need to cancel it now. 9 ones are and 9 needs a 72, 9 ones are 9. So x is equal to 81. So this is our third proportional. Now we have completed fourth and third proportional. Now let's see about mean proportional. In mean proportional also they will give us only two terms, as we have seen in the previous one. So there will be only two terms in the mean proportional also. So first of all, what do you mean by mean? Mean is nothing but in the proportion, as we can see, the middle two terms are called as means. So these middle two terms are called as mean terms, and these are called as extremes. So as they asked us to find mean proportional, we should take the middle two terms as x. We should take the middle two terms as x, as these are means. So now we can take it like a is to, so the first term should be in the first place, and the mean terms should be x, as we don't know that value. We are just finding it. So a is to x is as x is to, and the second term should be in the last place. So only the mean terms should be x, as we are finding the x. So this is how we should write the proportion in mean proportion. So let's take an example now. Now we can take 16 and 4. So here, as I said, we should write the mean proportion as x. That means first term in the first place as it is, 16 is to, and the mean terms should be x is as, and this also should be x is to 4. So now here we have to do product of extremes is equal to product of means. 16 into 4 is equal to x squared. So as we need to find x squared, this should be written this side. That means x squared is equal to 16 fours are 64. Next is equal to, this square will be transferred this side as a square root. That is square root of 64. Now x is equal to, the square root of 64 is 8. So here the mean terms will be 8. So the mean proportional here will be 8. So this is all about mean proportional. So this is all about today's class. So today we have learned about fourth, third and mean proportion. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you.